Kargil Vijay Divas. Uh, Kabir Grandpa would be the best person to approach for this. Let me call him.
नमस्कार। हमारा देश और पूरा विश्व आज कोविड-19 की चुनौती का सामना कर रहा है। कोविड-19 अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है।
हेलो। हाँ आमिर।
Hello, Grandpa. How are you?
हाँ आई एम फाइन। हाउ आर यू बेटा?
I'm fine, Grandpa. But, Grandpa, can you tell me a few stories about Kargil War?
हाँ ओके।
I have a project to do.
हाँ ज़रूर बेटा, क्यों नहीं। बट आई थिंक दैट इट वुड बी बेटर इफ ऑल ऑफ माई कलीग्स ऑल्सो जॉइन मी टू टेल यू द थ्रिलिंग स्टोरीज ऑफ कारगिल, और इसी बहाने में थोड़ी बातचीत भी हो जाएगी।
Wonderful, Grandpa. But, Grandpa, how will we meet? Is it not allowed right now?
ओके, वाई डू यू वरी, हम भी टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ साथ अपडेट हो चुके हैं। ओके देन, मिलते हैं कल।
Okay, Grandpa.
हाँ बाय बेटा। जय हिंद जवानों, हाउ आर यू ऑल?
जय हिंद कर्नल, ऑल आर फाइन। कैसे याद हुआ?
Yes, Colonel. Actually, my grandson wanted to know how we all and our Jawans fought in the odious war of Kargil. Commandos, this is my grandson, Amir, and Amir, these are my brave comrades who fought beside me in the war of Kargil.
Sir, it is my pleasure to be with you all, and my ears are yearning to listen to the stories of valor.
Commandos, I request you all to introduce yourself and also narrate the brave stories of our brothers who gave their lives to our mother nation. Okay, Colonel Rathod, let us start from you.
Acha, hi Amir. I am Colonel Rathod. I just want to share one incident. You know, Captain Saurabh Kalia and I were from same company, that is Delta. And eventually, we became so close. Like, if I have to share any secret, he used to be the first choice, and not even my wife. Then the Kargil happened. You know, during the Kargil, Captain Kalia and his 5 soldiers were the first ones to take on Pakistani army. Later on, they were captured alive once they ran out of ammunition after a prolonged war, I think near the LOC of Kargil. After a fortnight, the bodies of the young army officer and the 5 Jawans were returned to the Indian side, and that started the ordeal of their families. 22 years later, as the country celebrates Kargil Vijay Divas now, the Kalia family looks at the check that their 22 years old son has signed for the last time, as if signing for an epitaph before leaving for Kargil.
Yes, indeed. His sacrifice didn't go in vain. Hi, Amir. I am retired Captain Joseph Anthony, and I am really blessed to say that I was fighting beside Major Vivek Gupta during the battle under the inspiring leadership of Major Gupta. In spite of heavy artilleries and intense firing, he was able to close in with the enemy. After realizing that if they continue like that, then there would be more loss, I was hesitating to take an action, but he gave me courage and immediately reacted to the situation by firing a rocket launcher at an enemy's position. Before the shocked enemy could even react, he engaged the enemy's position. At that time, he was hit by the bullets. Despite that, he kept on moving towards the position. After reaching the position, he engaged the enemies in hand-to-hand combat and killed 3 enemy soldiers. He was posthumously awarded the Mahavir Chakra the second highest military award.
Yes, of course, a soldier is a selfless lover. With this unconditional love comes determination. And for this love for his nation, for his regiment, and for his fellow soldiers, the soldier does not think twice before risking his own life.
Yes, of course. I am Colonel Bhairava. Let me tell you about Grenadier Yogendra Yadav. He was part of Gatak platoon and he was assigned to capture 3 enemy bunkers situated on top of cliff, 16,500 feet on top of Tiger Hills. He was climbing with the help of his rope while the enemy set the rocket fire and he was hit by the bullets. Even though he didn't take care of his pain, he continued his mission without giving up. This made the other soldiers to come and help him. So he lobbed the grenade and killed around 3 Pakistani enemies, while the other soldiers arrived to help him.
Toughest battles require the strongest ones, and indeed, he was one. I am retired Colonel Mahendra Verma, and Amir Beta, do you know who is Captain Vikram Batra?
Sir, do you mean the one who is known as the Sher Shah? And there is also a movie releasing on him, on the brave soldier.
Yes, I'll tell you more about him. After a few years of training and finishing several courses in his battalion, 13 Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, he and his battalion were ordered to move to Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh. But later, due to some changes in the order, they moved to Dras, Jammu and Kashmir. Captain Vikram Batra was instrumental in recapturing Peak 5140 and is also called the hero of Kargil War. He also chose Ye Dil Mange More as their success signal. After capturing Peak 5140, he even attempted to capture Peak 4875. No doubt, it was one of the most difficult missions the Indian Army had ever attempted. In the battle, one of his fellow men had been shot. In order to save him, he took the lead and was unfortunately killed while clearing the enemy positions. Posthumously, Vikram Batra was awarded Paramvir Chakra, India's highest gallantry award, for his martyrdom during the Kargil War. Really, India is fortunate to have patriots like him who are willing to shed their blood for their motherland.
Yes, true, he said. I'll be back either hosting the tricolor or I'll be back wrapped in it. But sure, I'll be back. I am Colonel Bahadur and today I would like to share the inspiring story of Major Rajesh Singh Adhikari. He was leading his company to fulfill the objective. With universal machine guns, he was fired from 2 mutually supporting enemy positions. The officer was injured and refused to come back and continued to fight with his subunit. He immediately directed the rocket launch detachment to cover the 2 enemy positions, and without waiting a moment, he rushed in and killed 2 enemy soldiers. The officer, with his presence of mind, ordered his medium machine gun to take the position behind the rock and attack. Position at Tooling was captured and which later captured 4590. He was succumbed of his injuries. He was awarded Mahavir Chakra.
Hi Amir, I'm Colonel Sanjay Roy. Let me tell you about Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey, who, during his SSB interview, said that he wanted to join the Indian Army solely because he wanted to win the Paramvir Chakra. And he was awarded the Paramvir Chakra, the highest gallantry award, posthumously for his courageous deeds and for his leadership skills. Another brave soldier who sacrificed his life for the country's pride. His team was tasked to clear the enemy soldiers. He led a series of attacks to push back the intruders. The courageous and grievously injured officer continued the assault that ultimately led to the capture of the Jaubar Top and the Kalubar Hill in the Batalik sector. He truly was a great and courageous officer who will continue to be an inspiring force for the future generations like you, Amir.
Thank you, Commandos. It has been 22 years, but still the bliss of wearing the uniform, hoisting the flag at Kargil after we emerged victorious, shouting Mera Bharat Mahan at the peaks and the voice echoing all around. Wow, wo bhi kya din the. Amir, any words?
I have no words, sir. Just one thing. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.